I'm glad to be here at IMS, visiting all the customers. I'm almost sort of overwhelmed by the customers coming to the booth to see our newest technology with our Direct RF Agilex 9 FPGAs. As part of the full suite of FPGAs, Agilex 7, Agilex 5, we're showcasing both the wideband, medium band FPGAs to quite a few people coming here, as well as all of the different partners who are developing production-based boards and subsystems based on these FPGAs. We're also excited to demonstrate the secure device capabilities across all of these products with the integrated secure device manager. A lot of application interest here for things like advanced high capacity radar systems, advanced electronic warfare, RF simulation, and even interesting new technologies like quantum compute and quantum communication systems. Looking forward to a great show and really appreciate everybody's support.
So what we have here is one of our wideband Agilex 9 Direct RF FPGAs. It's a 1.4 million logic element FPGA paired with 4 ADCs and 4 DACs, 10-bit resolution, operating at 64 gigasamples per second, gives you a really wide 32 gigahertz of instantaneous bandwidth. The demo we're running here today is our Cockpit design, which is the closest these boards come to an out-of-the-box evaluation experience. We have a signal generator sweeping a frequency into the ADCs, which is displayed on the screen. And then we have one of the DACs outputting a CW tone displayed on our spectrum analyzer. So what we have here is our medium band Agilex 9 Direct RF FPGA. It features 20 ADCs operating at 4 gigasamples per second, 14-bit resolution, and 16 DACs, also at 14-bit resolution at 12 gigasamples per second, paired with a 2.7 million logic element FPGA. The demo we're showcasing here today is our Cockpit evaluation software. That's as close as these devices come to an out-of-the-box evaluation experience. We have a signal generator sweeping a tone across all 16 ADCs displayed on the screen, and then we have a CW tone coming out of the DACs displayed on our signal analyzer. Center frequency here is 7 gigahertz, and our ADCs are operating in the 1 gigahertz range to showcase our range.